Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty Girls Cracks. Beauty Girls Cracks में मैं आप सबको वेलकम करती हूँ. I hope you are all fine and doing well. In this video today I will show you beautiful haircuts and hairstyle. Today I will show you beautiful bob haircuts ideas. So impressive and stylish bob haircuts. Haircuts will change your personality and volume your hair. So my dear friend, let us talk about today's trendy fashions about hairs. Haircuts, hair colors and short hairs are today's trend. If you love to follow trend, you will cut your hairs, you will color your hair into different styles and different sizes. Like layer haircuts, shaggy haircuts, bob haircuts, long layer haircuts, curly haircuts, pixie haircuts, short layer haircuts, fine haircuts, layer curvy cuts, short bob haircuts, step cutting and much more haircuts ideas. These kinds of cutting will change your personality, look great, gorgeous and stylish. And my dear friends, if you are a new subscriber on my channel, so make sure do subscribe my YouTube channel Beauty Girls Cracks and press the bell icon to get the latest and new daily updates. And like my all videos and share it with your friends and family members. And all other social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And also let me know in the comment section what kinds of video do you want to see on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. You are watching my old video. Once again, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe my channel and like my all videos. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new collections, new ideas and new trendy fashion about hair. We will be right back with new videos and new trendy haircuts. Keep on watching till then. Take care. Bye bye and Allah Hafiz.